So this noise is Mable, going to be adopted, going to a home that already has her brother from 3 years ago. So they're going to be very happy. She'll love to have a companion.
Maybe check your website, because I remembered. I was like,
She says, I think there's another doggy. Yeah.
say hello nicely. I think she's alright.
Spidering on the floor.
How old is that little one?
Almost 2.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that one of your miniature?
Yeah.
That collar isn't that tight on her, by the way, too.
I
If
can
she
see,
starts
yeah.
to back up, just be careful. That's as tight as those, unfortunately.
That's okay.
What are you doing, hey? What are you doing?
She's like, where are you going?
No jumping on the little dog. You're not gonna like
At least she was a footstool. What is she now? 2 or 3? 3, eh?
3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
August 25th is
Yeah.
her birthday.
Yeah.
She's 3.
So these guys bought her brother 3 years ago. People that bought her can't keep her. So she's going with her brother, aren't you?
But they look so alike, the heads. Thank goodness she's a different size.
They'd be twins.
Stop, destroy each other.
Just playing.
They look kind of fresh.
Oh. Mabel. Be nice.
She said, I'm not letting that little guy snuff my butt.
Drink the puddle.
Oh, you'll get used to it. The funny thing about dogs, eh? With the,
Hey,
SPCA,
he's
when they
making
come
that
out to
noise.
check on us, they always go, oh, your water's all have to be clean and there can't be any algae or anything. I'm going like, that's fine. I can give them a clean pail, but not pee in a blood bottle and then go and drink out of it. You know?
Sophie drinks out of the bird bath. I
Yeah.
can't.
I don't care.
I put up fences around the garden and he still weasels his way through. And he doesn't jump, soldier.
No.
Not on anything. Won't jump on the bed, won't jump in the truck.
Oh, that's amazing.
The only
Oh, you won't even jump up in the truck.
the only
Won't
time I
jump
saw
up into the
him
car.
jump
He says,
Always
I
car.
don't
is when I was brushing my teeth by my bed,
I'll
and he
just, like,
jumped
scoot you
over
back,
me
like,
and
get up.
onto my
So-
bed.
Oh.
He's like leaning against my bed, and he just comes like running into the room and jumps over me and onto the bed.
Oh my goodness. It's like super dog.
It's like what he really wants to.
Otherwise it'll land up in the
Acrobat.
wall.